Hi friends, in this unboxing I'll be showing a maternity backpack. This will be good for our travel requirements, and if you have a child, a daughter, a boy or a small baby, a little one, that to manage both the baby and the things that you will be carrying for the baby, you should be having them handy with you, organized. So you can pretty much think of this backpack as a organizer backpack on which multiple things can be stored. So let's go on with the unboxing of that. So this one I bought for 1400 rupees. House of Quick Baby Diaper Backpack, Maternity Backpack, dark blue with unicorn pattern. I bought this from Amazon, and the first impression is this size is quite big. I didn't expect that this one will be of big size. Let me quickly see how it looks. So there is a strap which you can be used like a backpack, and I think this one can be even used like a handbag, but let me quickly see how it looks. Pretty much this is the container wherein you can keep the milk for the baby, and maybe if you are keeping some paracetamol syrups, you can keep them as well here. And there is this pack where you can again keep some tissues, I believe. The zip is quite smooth. This is like a nylon material and it's smooth. There is a unicorn design and it's in the backdrop of violet color, and there are pink clouds, pretty much the colors that moms will like, I believe. I'll quickly see how the inner one looks like. So I think there is these straps that can be used for like maybe using this as a this one. Let me quickly see why I'm not able to smooth it. Okay, yeah. This one, yeah, this is the inner portion. It's waterproof, and let's say we are using diapers, there are separate compartments wherein you can keep used diapers if at all you are not finding place to throw them out. There are again small containers within this in which you can keep other things. Okay, so this is the place where the diapers can be kept, I believe. Let me quickly open that. Yeah, so that's about it. This bag looks even stylish as well, and I think it can probably hold weight up to probably 5 kgs. Looks really sturdy enough to hold that kind of weight. There is this elastics in the side actually. What I'm checking is I'm quickly checking if I'm missing something. Maybe what I will do, I will look for some videos around how to use these backpacks, just to be sure that I am not missing out on some of the features of these bags. And maybe I'm hopeful that my wife knows how to use this. But yeah, this might come in handy if you're traveling and you're traveling with a baby. Having a backpack like this will be quite handy, I think. Yeah, so that's about it, my friends. This is the diaper bag maternity backpack. House of Kirk is the manufacturer of this product. Thanks, my friends.